I want to define very specifically what I mean by going upside down and what I mean by an inversion. And what I mean is that we are getting the head below the heart. So what I mean by getting upside down in a yoga context is we're getting the head below the heart. So that's actually a very easy requirement to satisfy. And why we want to get the head below the heart is that stimulates a reflex which calms our heart rate down. And with the calming of our heart rate, it helps our nervous system calm down. So that is my main objective in getting upside down, is giving you some nervous system manipulation that allows you to calm. But also I know that people want to do fancier ways of getting upside down. But we have to think about, if we want to do that, what is the reason behind that? And the reason can be it's fun, or the reason can be I want to do something hard, or I want to do something hard because that allows me to focus in my yoga practice. And that's all fine, but I think it's just important to know what you're doing an inversion for, what the reason behind it is.